Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Snapchat with the app updated. This prevents hidden UI differences. Tap your profile avatar at top left, then the gear icon to open settings. Once there, scroll to the Cameos or Permissions section. This is the control center for Cameo image and camera access. You're doing this now because disabling Cameos requires changing both appearance and permission toggles. Get to the specific Cameo entry so you can switch off creation and sharing options without hunting through unrelated menus. Now you disable creation and data access. First, toggle off the option labeled Allow people to use my Cameos or any Cameo sharing switch. This stops new Cameos instantly. Next, go to your phone's privacy settings and revoke Snapchat's camera and face data permissions if you want to block image capture. Make sure you understand this also affects other features. Finally, inspect linked third-party apps and revoke any that list Cameo or avatar access because they can re-enable or proxy Cameo creation. Finish by restarting the app and verifying the Cameo toggles remain off. You should not see the Cameo creation prompt anymore. If previously created Cameos still appear, clear Snapchat's cache or app data to remove stored images. Make sure you back up anything important first. If Cameos persist, log out and reinstall the app because residual server flags can linger. And if all else fails, contact Snapchat support with screenshots. This single troubleshooting tip, reinstall, fixes most stubborn settings issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.